Time's a wasting. Unraveling the essence of this idiomatic expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus is on the phrase, time's a wasting. If you've ever wondered about its meaning, origin, and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Time's a wasting is an idiomatic expression. In simple terms, it means time is passing by, and we should not waste it. The phrase is a contraction of time is a wasting, where a wasting suggests that time is being spent unproductively. It's a call to action, urging us to make the most of our time. The origins of time's a wasting can be traced back to when people were more acutely aware of the passing of time in their daily lives. It's often used in contexts where there is an urgency or a need to hurry up. For example, we need to finish this project soon. Time's a wasting. It's a motivational push indicating that time is valuable and should be used efficiently. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Hurry up with packing your bags. We have to leave for the airport in an hour. Time's a wasting. 2. You've been talking about starting your own business for years. Time's a wasting. Get started. These examples show the phrase used to encourage prompt action or to remind someone of the importance of not delaying. Time's a wasting is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of a cultural attitude towards time. In many English-speaking cultures, there is a strong focus on productivity and efficiency. This phrase embodies that ethos, reminding us that time is a precious resource. Thank you for joining me in exploring time's a wasting. Remember, this idiom is a powerful reminder to seize the day and make the most of our time. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and remember, time's a wasting.